Hi, in this video I'll be covering the unboxing of the Belkin WaveRest gel mousepad. This is one of those ergonomic mouse pads, meaning it's got a soft padded area for your wrist to rest on when mousing around. The wrist pad is a gel-filled cushion that'll provide you the maximum comfort and support. It's got a polyurethane surface that's supposed to provide a smooth and precise mouse tracking experience. So let's see what's inside. As you can see, I've got the black colored one here, so no wild designs on this one from Belkin. The pad measures at 12 inches by 9 1/4 and 9 1/2 inches, so here's how it looks compared to an 8 1/2 by 11 piece of paper. The base has a rubber substance, so it's supposed to stay firmly in place to prevent sliding. Belkin calls this part the GelFlex Comfort Zone, and it'll conform to your hand curves and helps reduce wrist stress that could lead to repetitive motion disorders. I guess the WaveRest word is supposed to imply that the wave-like design should fit the curves of your wrist and let you smoothly slide that mouse effortlessly on the smooth tracking surface here. Okay, it's a mouse pad, albeit a nice one. Try it out. It seems to do the job and it looks fine.